Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pretty beautiful ribbon on your shoes. And also, if you want to know what is the name of the end of the shoe laces, wait until the end of the video. So, first and the most important is your point finger. With the point finger you're going to make the stable ribbon. First step is to make the cross, the bout ends. So this is the first step. You're making tied it. Okay. Second step, you're taking middle finger and the point finger, but the point finger it is the main finger. So first you're making this way. Second, the left is going to over. After that is going to bottom to the shoe laces and taking out from here. After that is pull it out and be careful to not going out. You see, I make mistake. So let me show you again. You see here the finger, here you go, and after that you can turn it around and tie it again. Also you can take a little bit out and tie it again. I will show you again, and this time it will be perfect. First step. Second step, you're taking the strings, making this way, and the left is going to on top, and the spring, I mean the shoe laces, is going to between in the front on the top of the point finger, and you're pulling slowly and tied it. And now you see it is in the end. You can pull it out a little bit slowly also from the other end, and tie it again, and tie it again, and turn it around, and you can tie it again. And now when it is the shoe, I mean the feet, it is not inside, it is a little bit hard to make it, but this is the way how to do it. And you can pull a little bit from here, and you can tie it again. Yeah, it is a little bit messy now because here it is not my feet, and it is how to do it, but yeah, this is the way. And the name of the end of the shoe laces, this small plastic thing, it is angled. Thank you for watching my video. See you till next time.